A very good afternoon to all of you. I'm seeing all the listeners are quite passive. We would like to do certain exercises over here for you all so that you are rejuvenate, you are energized for the classroom. What we are talking for the students to make them energized and excited for the classroom. If those things are missing in us, whatever we are going to speak on the forum, it is not going to be registered in your mind. So, please get up. Do like this. Do like this. Why you are not doing it? You really feeling so good. Yes. Sit down. Have mentors. Smile. मुस्कुराइए क्योंकि आप यहाँ ई एजुकेशन हैं. Thank you. Friends, I am here to present certain slides for the general consumption, but more of so, I am going to share my experiences right from my living into the very difficult areas to the very remote place like Ramgarh, Kent. I have been lucky enough to be with part of certain institutions where the children belongs to the very difficult areas, but they don't have access to the computer, what to talk of e-education. Even the remote area like district Ramgarh, Kent, though the computer education is there, we are trying hard to implement many more new things there, but still the children are not aware what we are talking of today. You can see in the slides, we are talking of progressive education, we are talking of connected classroom. Are we not having those things in the ancient, rural, global education system? What we are talking of the global education system here, it was already existing as far as our literatures and the all literary things which has taken place in the past. Like VSAT, I decipher it as far as the Vedas, Sutras and Shastras, Arthashastras and their teachings. All these things were existing and these are existing and we are supposed to read it, not read it fully, at least some of their principles can be implemented into the classroom those great saints have written. What we are talking to focus on the aim, our literatures and the scriptures original text were talking about that Kanvarneva Dikaraste Mafaleshu Kudachana. So earlier the education was not future oriented, whereas the today's education is a future oriented. And we are more focusing on the employability, and because of that, all the things what we are talking about, the skill education, what we are talking of the interactivity in the classroom, what we are talking about the cooperation and cooperativeness in the classroom, collaborative classrooms, these are all not very new thing, it was already existing in the India. Now, it is written in the Veda, what we are talking of the creativity, when it is said by the teachers that create certain things, but we are not giving the time to the students. Vedas they wrote, I have seen in that those lines, that they say the creativity इसका जो जन्म है वो वहाँ होता है जहाँ पर बच्चों को शांत बैठने के लिए दिया जाता है, जहाँ पे मनुष्यों को सोचने का समय दिया जाता है, जहाँ पे there is a total peace in the environment. But where are the peace in the classroom? Where are the things in the school environment where we can say, yes, the children should be given a chance to sit peacefully, think, and then create certain things for their own consumption as well as for their academic satisfaction. And we are talking of the 16 kalas, हमने पढ़ा है चंद्रमा की 16 कलाएं होती हैं, सूर्य की बातें होती हैं. Why it is all these things are existing in the system, but still we are trying hard to be with the e-technology or e-education just to make ourselves globally aware. So progressive and the connected education system, I'm going to share one thing. One very good experience what I had in a very difficult area, border area, where the children are not given the education just because they are living at the in the border area and there is no school. They have not given any knowledge about it. And I was associated with two schools for a few months, and there we tried to give the uh, computer training, a kind of computer training. There was so much of excitement in the environment. The parents came running, you know, the graziers children, potters children. They were not knowing what is the ABCD Kakhaga. They were so poor, they were not having shoes to wear. And in those areas, when you work, the kind of satisfaction as a teacher, as a learner, even ourselves, we feel that yes, we are doing the great service to the nation. Now come to the, recently I have been to a place where the naval expeditions were launched and all the poor children were part of it. What we are talking of the skill, they were so skilled in 5 minutes time, they were so excited that people have come to see us. They prepared a cultural program. In 5 minutes time they prepared a cultural program, and once the cultural program was over, one boy came to me, "Ma'am, I am doing BCA, can I get a job? Can I get a job after doing this naval expedition? Can there be a possibility of getting a profession fitted to my need?" It was really shocking to hear such things, but it is the fact, it is the truth. The education which is being given in India, the global education, the children, those who are denied for such kind of education, where they are going to be settled down. So we have to think on those lines, and progressive and connected education, though we are talking of child-centered education, quality audit assessment, everything is there. E-education, which is tech-driven learning in traditional classrooms, smart education, which is constantly challenged to promote innovation. Entire learning has its basis on science and technical dimensions, and we have a lot of experience on that. E-journey, where the Sahodaya school, what we are talking of, Sarvodaya to Sahodaya, is what the Gandhian philosophy of education has been studied by all of us. It is still there. Holistic education, what we are talking of, it was the basic education given to all with that purpose only, and every child should be exposed to a rich set of activities. Now what today's the generations that focus beyond technical and the scientific dimensions, and many proponents of e-learning believe that everyone must be equipped with the basic knowledge of technology, and whereas e-learning stresses on cooperation, interactive and mutual benefits and social engagements. Progressive education, yes, it is the education which is learning to imagine future world, and the child is learning to imagine a future world empowered with the knowledge about the real world. Adaptive content, social learning through curricular connections, education missions are shift, where we are not focusing on our past accomplishments, rather moving away from the past accomplishments. That is, one has to think about it, how to be there. And the curriculum is more flexible. Teachers are facilitators. Teachers use wide, it means the enlightening of the people.
One moment, Kiran.
This is suited to distance education, yes ma'am. And can also be used in conjunction with the face-to-face learning. E-portfolio, you can see and understand that what is progressive, hands-on projects, integrated curriculum, lifelong learning, and using multimedia presentation, tech-based class structure, all these things are there. E-learning, yes, yesterday it was mentioned. E-learning stands for many things, not only that electronic, rather it is excellence, it is educational, enthusiastic, energetic classrooms. Info and ideas are too much, a click away, just click, and many things are there, unlimited databases available. Encourage improved creative writing, we have to do it, and it enhances the self-esteem. And what educational quality dimensions have said, it is written very well in the literature, but you can see the challenges what we are facing today is the change dynamics, teachers' role as the middleman, facilitators, resource crunch is there, linguistic issues are there, and when the teachers training, most of the speakers have shown their concerns that how to train the teachers. I think the motivation is the best thing to be with the teachers and teach them how to teach in the class. There needs to be seen, and their financial aspect to be seen first for that. And the really matters that new paradigm, the democratic endeavor, focus the nation. We have to teach that yes, you are meant to contribute something very positive to the national causes, free the planet from pollution, all kinds of corruption, whatever, cool the earth, school lands and all, concluding thoughts that imparting education through e-medium is the opening of horizon to a new limitless world. One has to be empathetic to be the part of the imagination, and where the child is explored the possibility of education to promote imagination as understanding. And truly it has lured DigiGen with its fabricated fantasies. Undoubtedly, it is altering our views and values, and we are plotting the course for betterment. Our upcoming generation, it's a matter of existence or employability. So here's one Nelson Mandela's thought I wanted to share. Please, thank you so much. I have not been given time. I wanted to share many things, but all the experiences I will share while talking to you or interacting. Thank you.